Hello and welcome to my video. Today we are going to take a look at this function fx equals cosine of 2 arccosine x, which is the inverse of the cosine function. So this function is defined on this interval, because of this arccosine part. So the problem A says find the value of f1 over 3, and for problem B it says find x such that fx equals 1 over 3. So I will solve this problem with two methods. Well, the most famous method is just directly substitute x with 1 over 3 in the given function and carry out the calculation. That is, f1 over 3 is simply cosine 2 arccosine 1 over 3. Here, we don't know the exact value of arccosine 1 over 3. So let arccosine 1 over 3 as t. Then, f1 over 3 is cosine 2t, and we know that cosine 2t equals 2 times cosine squared t minus 1. Now, from this relation, arccosine 1 over 3 equals t, we have cosine t equals 1 over 3. Therefore, f1 over 3 is 2 times 1 over 3 square minus 1, which is minus 7 over 9. So that's the value of f1 over 3. And for the second problem, we basically do the same. So this expression means cosine 2 arccosine x equals 1 over 3. Here, let this arccosine x as t. Then we have cosine 2t equals 1 over 3. So we have 2 times cosine squared t minus 1 as 1 over 3. So we have cosine squared t as 2 over 3. And therefore, cosine t equals plus minus square root of 6 over 3. Now, since arccosine x equals t, cosine t equals x. Therefore, from here, we have x equals plus minus square root of 6 over 3. So that was the first method. This is the most straightforward and general method when obtaining the value of the function. However, for this specific function, we can do it in another way. For the start, let us just repeat the process we did earlier, but without substituting the numbers for x. So let arccosine x as t, or not just arccosine 1 over 3, but the general expression arccosine x. Then this function becomes cosine 2t, which is 2 cosine squared t minus 1. But because arccosine x equals t, x equals cosine t. So we have 2x squared minus 1. Therefore, fx, defined like this, is actually a polynomial function. And we can solve problems a and b using this expression instead. So for the value of f1 over 3, we use this function and have 2 times 1 over 3 squared minus 1, which is minus 7 over 9. And for problem b, we simply have 2x squared minus 1 equals 1 over 3. So we have x squared equals 2 over 3, and therefore x equals plus minus square root of 6 over 3. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and also subscribe for more interesting math videos. And I will see you in another video.